Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking through its paces the Breville Barista Pro and checking out what kind of latte art this guy can produce. So let's get straight into it and let's see how we go. The wand on the Breville Barista Pro can produce great microfoam. Nice, silky, smooth, no large bubbles, just smooth microfoam. I like to split my jugs of milk before I start often so that we can just get the right amount of milk and the right consistency for our latte art pour. Let's start with a basic heart, a fundamental and base in the barista's arsenal. The Barista Pro delivers. Now we're going to work on a basic rosetta. We start like we do with the heart, but once we're pouring, we literally come back, slow down, and a nice slow controlled pull through. The Barista Pro delivers. And this one, we're going to work on a basic tulip. We want to blob, blob push, blob push, blob push, blob push. Making sure that each time we're just coming to a new section of crema. The Barista Pro delivers. And here we are, a little basic swan as well. That rosetta base, down, create the neck, and every good swan needs a head. As we can see, guys, the Breville Barista Pro can produce cafe quality latte art at home in your kitchen. Jump on your basic hearts, basic rosettas, basic tulips, and even swans. You've got no issues going on at all. Make sure you jump down in the comment section below. Let us know which is your favorite latte art and what you're working on. And make sure that you keep practicing and reach out for more. Like, subscribe. Catch you next time, legends.